Hello students, welcome to Shastra. Today we are going to discuss syllogism problems. For that you need to understand four types of sentences. So we'll solve the problems using Venn diagrams. Okay. First type of sentence is all A are B. So for all A are B, you need to use this Venn diagram. You might ask me, if all A are B, this could be the possible Venn diagram. Yes, you're absolutely right. But we are not considering this to solve problems. To solve problems, we are following a specific set of diagrams. If some A are B, then we need to follow A this way. Okay? And if no A B, then if you have some A are not B, then it generally doesn't give any conclusion. Me guys. Yeah. So you just need to remember this way. If all A are B, then you should use this Venn diagram. If some A are B, use this Venn diagram. If no A is B, use this Venn diagram. Also, we need to follow certain rules along with that. I'll tell you when we proceed to solve the questions. Okay, go to exercise 13A and let us solve the questions by one. Yeah. First question, they are saying some chairs are glasses. So if some chairs are glasses, what will be the Venn diagram? Yeah, some chairs are glasses. And all trees are chairs. Okay, all trees are chairs means, okay, we need chairs to be bigger one. If all trees are chairs, one is the one. And some chairs are glasses. Okay. So why are we not including tea with glasses? Because they did not give us information about trees. So we are not including them. Okay. So let us try to solve the answer. Some trees are glasses. Some trees are glasses. They did not give us any information about trees and glasses. So we cannot conclude that. Some glasses are trees. Obviously, they did not give any information regarding glasses and trees. We cannot conclude that. It might be a possibility, but we cannot conclude right away. So 1 and 2 both are wrong. So if both are wrong, what is the option we have? It is D. So option is D. No man is a lion. Ram is a man. So no man is a lion. We have man here, and no man is a lion. Okay. Ram is a man. He'll be included. Ram is a man. We can write this as all Ram are man. So guys, here you need not consider the logic. See, some chairs are glasses, all trees are chairs. You might think this is rubbish when you actually literally take it. But we are considering only the syllogism here, analysis part. So we should not consider the literal meaning of them. Okay, so we should only consider them as normal words. Okay, without any meanings. So we have to, whatever might be the sentence they give, we need to fit into these four types: all Ram are man, some all A are B, some A are B, no A is B, some A is not B. Okay, so now we got the diagram. Ram is not a lion. Yeah, Ram is not a lion. It is clear because Ram is inside the M. All men are not Ram. All men are not Ram. Answer is A, because some men are Ram, so we cannot conclude this. So first one is correct. Ram is not a lion. All boys are fathers. All fathers are mothers. All boys are fathers. All fathers are mothers. This is how it would be. All fathers are boys. Let's say all fathers are boys. This is wrong. We cannot take it. All boys are mothers. Yes, because all the boys are inside mothers only. Then all boys are mothers. Correct. So answer will be B. Here it is A. I hope you are getting it. All pens are cups. All cups are bowls. All pens are cups. All cups are bowls. All pens are bowls. All pens are bowls. Yes, true. All cups are pots. We have no information about pots. This would be wrong, and A is the answer. Okay. All students are boys. All students are boys. And no boy is dull. No boy is dull. Yeah. What are the answers that they are given? There are no girls in the class. Means all students are boys. Yes, they have given it here only. And no boy is dull. See, no. Here they are given no student is dull. Because all students are boys. Obviously, no boy will be dull. In the diagram also it is clear. No student is dull. So, this is also correct. So, answer will be E. Both 1 and 2. Some cats are kittens. All rats are kittens. Some cats are kittens. All rats are kittens. Some cats are rats. We don't know. There could be a possibility, but we cannot conclude because they did not give any relationship between cats and rats. Some rats are cats. Some rats are cats. We can also we cannot conclude like this because they did not give any relationship between cats and rats. So answer will be D. Neither 1 nor 2. Let us go to 7th question. All names are dogs. If all names are dogs, okay, no dogs are foxes. No dogs are foxes. This is similar to the ones which I have done. So all names are foxes. Can we say all names are foxes? No, it is wrong. Because it is clearly mentioned, clearly we can see in the diagram that name is not a fox. No dog or name. No dog or name. This is also false because some of the dogs are names only. Names are inside the dogs. So answer will be D again. Neither 1 nor 2. 8th one. All pens are dogs. All pens are dogs. Okay. Some pens are lights. So some pens are lights. Let me. All pens are dogs. Oh, sorry. They said some pens are lights, no? Like some pens are lights. Okay. And all pens are dogs. If all pens are dogs, taking it that way, because they did not mention anything between a dog and light, so I'm taking in such a way that it only includes P. However, some part of P also includes lights. Okay. Some dogs are lights. Yes, true, because D includes P. Also, P includes some part of L, which means D includes some part of L. So, some dogs are lights. True. Some lights are not dogs. Okay. So, guys, remember one thing in syllogism. If in question two statements are positive, if in question two statements are positive, you cannot get a negative answer in the question. Okay. So, write down rule here. Rule number 1. Rule number 1, what we have done in case of rats and cats, we cannot assume relation. We cannot assume relation if it is not given. Okay. Next thing, rule number 2, you got it from 8th. If in question two statements are positive, two statements are positive, answer cannot be negative. Simple. Okay. So answer will be A here. Please write down these rules so that it really helps you in solving questions. Some animals are clouds. Horse is an animal. Okay. So horse is an animal. Can we write it as all horse are animals? All H are A. Yes, we can write that. Some animals are clouds. All horses are animals. Okay. Some clouds are animals. Yeah, if some animals are clouds, some clouds are animals. Yes, this is true. Next, horse is not a cloud. This we don't know. And also it's a negative. We have not here now. We cannot conclude like that. So answer will be A only. Next, I am rubbing this. Okay, erasing this. Call the next question. All tables are rats. Some rats are chairs. Some rats are chairs. All tables are rats. All rats are tables. No, this is false. Some chairs are not rats. If both are positive, answer can't be negative. So answer will be D. Neither A nor neither 1 nor 2. Next, all tiger are birds. All tiger so all tiger are birds. Some birds are cows. Some birds are cows. If answer will be some cows are birds. Yeah, true. One is true. Some tigers are cows. They did not give any relationship between tigers and cows. We cannot assume. So answer will be A. 12th one. All pens are all papers are pens. All pens are erasers. So we can say that some erasers are papers. Yeah, some of the erasers are papers. Yeah, this is true. And some papers are not a paper. Some pens are not papers. When everything is positive in the question, we can never get a negative one. Answer will be A. Thirteenth one. Some trees are monkeys. Some trees are monkeys. Some ships are trees. Some ships are trees. Some monkeys are ships. They did not give any relationship between ships and monkeys. We cannot conclude like that. And some trees are neither ships nor monkeys. See, neither nor is a negative statement. If the question is positive, answer cannot be negative. And ships and monkeys, there's no relationship given in the question. So answer will be D, neither one nor two. All glasses are mirrors. Okay, all glasses are mirrors. Some mirrors are black. Some mirrors are black. All mirrors are glasses. No, this is wrong. Some glasses are black. No, they did not give us any relationship between glass and black. We cannot conclude. 14 answer will also be D. Some dogs are monkeys. Some dogs are monkeys. No monkey is black. No monkey is black. Okay. So first one is some dogs are black. See, they did not give any relation between dogs and black, so we cannot conclude like this. And some monkeys are dogs. Yeah, if some dogs are monkeys, and some monkeys will be dogs. This one is correct. Answer will be B. Statement 2 is correct. All roads are poles. Next one, all roads are poles. No poles are bongla. No poles are bonglas. So some roads are bungalows. This will be false because roads are poles, which poles are not bungalows. So obviously roads cannot be bungalows. Some bungalows are poles. No, it is not possible because no pole is a bungalow. So some cannot be possible. Hence answer will be D. Neither one nor two. 17th one. Many actors are directors. We can say some actors are directors. Why are we using some even though they gave us many? Because we have only two types of sentences. All actors are directors, some actors are directors. Since they gave many, we can only say that some actors are directors. Okay. If some actors are directors, I'll take actors here and directors here. All directors are dancers. All directors are dancers. If some actors are directors, can we say some actors are dancers also? Because directors include dancers. Yes, first one is true. No director is an actor. It is a wrong statement because some directors are actors. So we cannot say like this. So this is the wrong one. So answer will be A. And next, only dogs are animals. So only dogs are animals. We can write it as all animals are dogs. So if all animals are dogs and no historian is an animal. No historian is an animal. Some dogs are not historians. See, here we can conclude that some dogs are not historians. You might ask me, sir, in the answer it is negative. Yeah, here in the question also it is negative, na? No historian. So this is negative has come in the question. We can conclude this. See, some of the dogs are animals, okay, which are not historians. So can we say some of dogs are not historians? Yes, some dogs are not historians. This is correct. Some historians are. Some dogs are not. some historians